Hello, and welcome back to our channel, Irene Consulting Firm, where we empower small business owners to save time and make more money. Today, we're diving into the best business cash management accounts of 2024, helping you make informed decisions for your business's financial health. Let's get started. Number 1. Understanding cash management accounts. Cash management accounts, CMAs, are vital for businesses to manage their cash flow effectively. These hybrid accounts combine the features of checking, savings, and investment accounts, offering flexibility and higher interest rates. Why are they important? They simplify your financial operations, provide better control over your cash, and enhance your ability to earn interest. CMAs serve as central hubs for businesses to streamline their financial activities. By integrating checking, savings, and investment functionalities, they offer convenience and versatility, allowing businesses to consolidate their funds and manage them more efficiently. This consolidation simplifies reconciliation processes and reduces administrative overhead, saving valuable time and resources. Moreover, CMAs provide businesses with greater control over their cash by offering real-time access to account balances and transaction histories. This enhanced visibility enables proactive decision-making and helps businesses optimize their cash flow management strategies. Additionally, CMAs typically offer higher interest rates compared to traditional checking accounts, allowing businesses to maximize their earnings on idle funds. Number 2. Criteria for selection. When evaluating the best CMAs, we consider factors like fees, interest rates, ease of access, integration with other business tools, and customer service. Remember, the best account for your business will depend on your specific needs, including transaction volume, cash flow patterns, and financial goals. Absolutely, when assessing cash management accounts, CMAs, it's essential to take into account various factors to ensure you're selecting the best option for your business. Fees play a crucial role as they can significantly impact your bottom line. Look for CMAs with transparent fee structures and minimal charges for account maintenance, transactions, and other services. Similarly, interest rates are critical, especially if you anticipate maintaining a substantial balance in your account. Seek CMAs that offer competitive interest rates to help your business maximize earnings on idle funds. Ease of access is another crucial consideration. Choose CMAs that provide convenient access to funds through online and mobile banking platforms, as well as ATMs and branches if needed. Integration with other business tools is also important, particularly if you rely on accounting software, payment processors, or other financial management solutions. Opt for CMAs that seamlessly integrate with your existing tools to streamline your operations and enhance efficiency. Lastly, prioritize excellent customer service when selecting a CMA provider. Reliable customer support can be invaluable, especially during emergencies or when facing account-related issues. By considering these factors and aligning them with your specific business needs, including transaction volume, cash flow patterns, and financial goals, you can identify the best CMA that meets your requirements and supports your business growth effectively. Number 3. Top picks for 2024. Let's dive into our top picks for 2024 based on thorough analysis and market research. 1. FinTech Innovator. This option is tailored for tech-savvy businesses seeking cutting-edge tools and integrations. It offers competitive interest rates and low fees, making it an attractive choice for businesses looking to optimize their financial management with the latest technology solutions. 2. Traditional Bank Powerhouse. Ideal for businesses that prioritize in-person service and value the security of traditional banking institutions. This option combines the safety and reliability of traditional banking with competitive features designed to meet the needs of larger businesses with more complex financial requirements. 3. Online Challenger. Perfect for small to medium-sized businesses focused on maximizing returns with high interest rates and minimizing fees. This account stands out for its excellent online tools and customer service, providing convenience and efficiency for businesses managing their finances primarily online. 4. Community Bank Champion. Tailored for businesses committed to local community engagement, this option offers personalized service and unique benefits designed specifically for local businesses. It provides a community-oriented banking experience while still offering essential features for effective cash management. Each of these accounts brings something unique to the table, whether it's innovative technology solutions, personalized service, or competitive financial offerings. When selecting the best cash management account for your business, consider what aspects align most closely with your business priorities and objectives. By choosing the right account that meets your specific needs, you can effectively manage your cash flow and support your business's financial health and growth. Number 4. Things to consider. While these accounts are our top picks, it's crucial to assess how each aligns with your business needs. Consider your average daily balance, transaction needs, and whether you value online access over in-person services. Remember, the right account can offer not just financial benefits, but also strategic advantages for your business operations. Additionally, evaluating factors such as the account's minimum balance requirements, transaction limits, and overdraft policies is essential to ensure it meets your business's day-to-day operational needs. Assessing the level of customer support and accessibility of account management tools can also influence your decision. Ultimately, selecting a cash management account that aligns with your business's unique requirements can contribute to improved financial efficiency and overall success. Number 5. How to choose. Choosing the right cash management account involves understanding your business inside and out. Reflect on your cash flow, financial goals, and how you interact with your finances on a daily basis. Don't hesitate to consult with a financial advisor or reach out directly to banks for personalized advice. In conclusion, selecting the right cash management account is a pivotal decision for your business. The best choice in 2024 depends on a blend of high-tech features, financial benefits, and the kind of relationship you want with your bank. As always, we're here to help you navigate these decisions, empowering your business towards greater financial health and success. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Don't forget to leave your questions or experiences in the comments below. This is Irene Consulting Firm signing off until next time. Reach out to Irene Consulting Firm for professional expertise in bookkeeping, payroll services, financial analysis, business/data analysis, and data visualization. Our commitment is to cater to your business requirements comprehensively.